Hey guys, it's Cosmo Casper. This is my F350 with the Triton V10 motor. It's a 6.8 liter and it's not starting on me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be changing out the camshaft sensor to see if that fixes it. It's a common problem. I'll walk inside the vehicle right now and I'll start it and let you hear the symptoms. You can see my battery is good, my starter works, but it doesn't seem to be igniting or getting fuel. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab that camshaft sensor and show you where it's at. Okay, so this is a camshaft positioning sensor for this truck. Again, that's the Ford with the Triton V10, 6.8 liter. To get this off of the motor, it's just a single bolt that goes through it, and it's a 5/16 socket that I use to take it off. So you really only need a 5/16 socket to change this thing. That's how easy this is. Like I said, I already took the bolt out. Save some time on this video. It's raining out and my phone's getting wet. So here's my motor. I'm actually gonna have to crawl up on the bumper in order to give you guys a good shot of this. Alright, hope I don't slip. Right here, where my finger's at, I already unplugged it, but this is the camshaft sensor. And here, I'll zoom out. Here's the motor, it's on the driver's side. You see your radiator hose right here, and it's this little plug right there that I'm touching. I'm just gonna grab it, gently jiggle it. And there you have it. There's the Ford OEM original one. Here's my replacement one, and it's simply, oh god, I should really put this phone down before I slip and fall. It just slides in, and then you gotta push it kind of hard, and then the bolt goes in. I'm not gonna show you guys how to take a bolt out. It's pretty simple. So I'm gonna finish installing this, then we're gonna see if it starts. Okay, so I just got done installing the sensor. If you stand on this side and look in, it's right in the middle there, because I have the wire plugged into it. Let me slide my phone in there so I can get a better shot. Right there, that's the sensor. Cut my finger putting it in. I don't even know how, because nothing there is even really sharp, but I don't think I've ever worked on a truck without cutting myself somehow. And let's see if it works. Fingers crossed, guys. Come on, baby. Didn't work. Shit. Okay, so the next step is I'm going to replace the crankshaft positioning sensor, and if that doesn't work, I'm going to have to hook up an OBD2 code reader to it and see if there's a problem with the computer. It's not really throwing an error code, so I don't know if the code reader is going to do me any good here, but that's the camshaft sensor anyway, and I just replaced it and it still doesn't work.